As per the official website, the advancement of this technological marvel, aptly named the CopterPack, is still in progress, which is quite intriguing. Powered by electricity, it's been dubbed as a backpack with propellers, a helicopter backpack, a drone helicopter, or even a jetpack tailored for a single user. Sporting 2 rotors with a diameter of approximately 90 centimeters, occasional successful test videos are shared by the designers, although technical specifics remain under wraps. Expert advice leans towards caution, recommending users to stay below 15 meters in height during operation. The evolution of drones for the general public continues, and the DJI Mini Pro 3 is a testament to the increasing coolness factor. Weighing in at less than 249 grams and compact enough to slip into a jacket pocket, this little marvel goes beyond its size. Not only does the drone capture 4K video at 60 FPS, but it also boasts an impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes with the basic battery and a staggering 47 minutes with the upgraded one. Piloting the drone is a breeze, thanks to the Apex 4.0 system, which detects obstacles in real time, enhancing maneuverability. Furthermore, with recording options like time-lapse and vertical format, this drone opens up creative possibilities, allowing you to craft memorable videos that will surely surprise your friends. The American team at Fluid Reality has unveiled a glimpse of innovation with their XR Gloves prototype. The term XR now encompasses all technologies related to virtual, augmented, and mixed reality, and Fluid Reality is setting ambitious goals. The standout feature of these gloves lies in the tactile pixels embedded in the fingertips. Remarkably, the developers have incorporated up to 20 of these pixels per square centimeter, each functioning as a small hydraulic pump without any moving parts. Operated through an electric field, these pumps generate tiny bubbles within the pixels, imparting a sense of pressure to the glove wearer. Confident in their creation, the makers foresee these gloves entering the market at a cost of $1,000 for end users, a price point 5 times more affordable than comparable options from other manufacturers. Now, let's shift our attention to a fascinating endeavor by the Russian company Hoversurf, diligently crafting a futuristic flying car. One of its standout features lies in the utilization of engines based on the Venturi effect. These innovative engines, devoid of propellers, promise a quieter, more compact, and safer alternative to their counterparts. An air cab equipped with these engines can effortlessly fit into a standard parking spot, while the 250 km/h speed of a flying ambulance adds a practical touch. The anticipation is that a full battery charge will yield approximately half an hour of flight time, and recharging, remarkably, takes just 40 minutes with a Tesla fast charger. Artificial intelligence takes center stage in conceptualizing future gadgets, demonstrating its ability to sketch and describe a myriad of innovations, including the intriguing realm of hoverboards. While the idea might elicit amusement, functional hoverboards already exist, exemplified by Lexus' creation in 2015. However, the future, it seems, did not arrive as seamlessly as it appeared. Lexus employed a clever trick to make their hoverboard operational, a specially designed skate park featuring metal plates beneath the surface. The hoverboard itself incorporates robust magnets and superconductors chilled to a bone-chilling -197°C using liquid nitrogen. The intersection of technology and ingenuity brings these futuristic concepts to life, albeit with a touch of creative engineering. As the quest for hoverboards continues, envisioning them as a commonplace sight akin to electric scooters prompts contemplation on how to heighten road safety. Autoliv, a Swedish company renowned for pioneering two-point seatbelts in 1953, is channeling its safety expertise towards a new frontier. Their proposal involves deploying airbags to shield scooter riders, skaters, and other vulnerable road users from potential injuries. In this innovative setup, one airbag is affixed to the scooter or alternative modes of transportation, while the second finds its place near the car windshield area. This dual airbag configuration promises optimal protection, even in the event of a head-on collision. Despite these advancements, news of mass production remains elusive at this juncture. Makani, an innovative kite designed for electricity generation, underwent 7 years of development. The creators transitioned from a 20 kilowatts prototype to a fully operational industrial kite capable of producing around 600 kilowatts at its peak. Google acquired the Makani project, but in 2019, funding was halted, leading to its discontinuation by Alphabet, Google's parent company, in February 2020. It ascends to a height of 300 to 400 meters, moving in circles to generate electricity through its rotors. A tether connects it to a ground station for power transmission. Makani requires wind speeds of 3.5 meters per second or higher for launching, and the 600 kilowatts it generates can power approximately 30 households. Delving into the future of human-machine interaction, Yamaha engineers ponder the possibilities with the Motoroid 2. This visionary concept stems from an idea about 6 years ago and embraces contemporary trends such as artificial intelligence algorithms and facial recognition. The Motoroid 2 distinguishes itself through self-balancing ingenuity, thanks to the independent movement of the swing arm and rear wheel, separate from the bike's main structure. Notably, it's been adeptly trained to navigate without a rider, showcasing a level of skill that extends to the intriguing prospect of dancing with the bike. The system also boasts the ability to discern specific gestures. However, Yamaha's promotional page currently leaves unspecified the method for controlling the motorcycle without conventional handlebars.